Today we're taking a look at the ProLogic and how to do a mechanical reset. This is done in order to pair the lock body with the entry pad. So here's how we're going to do that. The first thing you want to do is remove the battery. And the next thing you want to do is disconnect the cable from the lock body itself. Now, on the lock body, you'll see a little sticker. Sometimes the sticker's blue, sometimes it's yellow. But you remove that sticker and you'll see a reset hole right here. And that reset hole is what we're going to use in order to reset this lock or pair it with the entry pad. So here's what we do. We take a poking tool. You can use a paper clip or something that can get into that hole and press down on a little reset clip that's in there. And basically you press it down, you can feel it pop back out again. So press it down 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Next thing you want to do is press down and hold. So we're going to hold this down, and now we're going to connect the cable to the lock body, and then we're going to slide the battery compartment in and close it. And now count for 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And release the paper clip. Now, this lock body is paired with this entry pad. And how we can verify that is by entering the code. It'll say verified, and the lock opens. So, in order to resolve from a fail to open or fail to link, you need to do this reset.